Bentely Systems develops software that is used to design, build, operate, and map the world's infrastructure. We have revenues of over $300 million.
We are over 2,000 colleagues, 80 offices, 40 countries, literally everywhere in the world.
Bently's strength has always been creation and management of complex technical information. That technical information has lots of interdependencies. Our users measure us based on how many of their problems we can solve.
We're aware from our close relationship of Microsoft's priorities, and they very well comport with what should be the priorities for infrastructure content users to help to bring to bear engineering and technical information throughout the infrastructure lifecycle.
Microsoft and Bently first started working together back in 1993 when Microsoft came out with Windows NT. Bently was one of the very first companies to have a product designed for NT from the ground up, and that was, of course, the MicroStation product. Our relationship really deepened in 2004 when Bently bet big on the Sharepoint technologies.
At our B Conference 2004, Chris Capicella from Microsoft introduced our work together to bring SharePoint and ProjectWise together, and we're delighted to bring the result to market this year. Well, information management is probably the biggest challenge facing AEC. The work is always collaborative, and the tools haven't necessarily been collaborative.
You've got many different types of people working together within a project, but also outside their project, needing to find other experts, needing to collaborate and work together.
Engineers spend up to 40% of their time trying to find the information to do their job.
You can imagine architects being able to find exactly what they need very, very quickly. And when I say find, I don't just mean find the information. I mean find people as well, and then communicate with those people.
We enable Bently's customers to automate business processes and to make their projects more efficient.
With ProjectWise and SharePoint, together now in ProjectWise StartPoint, every enterprise user will be able to, through their Office SharePoint server browser, find and take advantage of that information when they're making business decisions and to improve their insight into their infrastructure.
So when you look at combining ProjectWise and SharePoint, we think there's just an amazing amount that we can bring to the AECO marketplace together. With the 2007 release of SharePoint, we're really excited about what we can do with Bently.
The web-based interface is going to make it so that this information will get distributed to a much larger number of people.
Search gets much, much better. So finding information and people will just be a lot better and a lot faster.
We're very excited about Bently being able to take advantage of our enterprise content management capabilities, including workflow in the next release.
The workflow capabilities that we're building right into SharePoint mean that you can automate a lot of your business processes.
Enhanced relevancy means that engineers will be able to find the most critical documents to do their job more effectively.
Our change tracking gets a lot richer, so being able to see the history of changes that were applied to a document over time becomes something that's very, very simple.
The new Office applications will be able to support saving to XPS, which is an open XML-based format for saving information, so there's an opportunity for greater interoperability, integration in with line of business systems, because they're able to open up the XML-based file and access the data inside of it directly.
You're unlocking literally billions of Office documents and making them easy to connect to different back-end systems. The opportunity for partners to build their business on top of SharePoint is just phenomenal. We depend on partners like Bently to take that technology and make it applicable and valuable to specific industries.
Alliances do come and go, but for years now, every time I ask our developers about their Microsoft cooperation, they're more excited than ever about what's still coming.